Hello viewers, welcome to Shava's Math Corner. In this video, we are going to see about fractions. Okay, I'll give you the concepts of fractions fully. Okay, first let us see what is like fractions. Like fractions, what is meant by fraction? First you know what is meant by fractions. Fractions means when we are writing a number with numerator and denominator, it is called fractions. Okay, what are like fractions? Sometimes if I am writing 3 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 8 by 5. Can you see? Here all my denominators are 5. So this is called a like fraction. Okay, then what is mean by unlike fraction? Sometimes if I am writing 2 by 3, 4 by 7, 6 by 8, 9 by 11. Here my denominator, this is called a denominator, and the numerator, this is called the numerator. Okay, so this is numerator and the down is denominator. See the denominators when every denominator is different. So when my all the denominators are different, it is called unlike fraction. Okay, now let us see what is meant by proper fraction. What is meant by proper? It is very simple. In proper fraction, we have the numerator is a small number. Okay, for example, I'm writing 3 by 5. Compare the two fractions in this, two numbers in this. 3 is less than 5. So my numerator is less than the denominator. Okay, one more example, 2 by 7. My 2, here numerator is less than the denominator 7. Correct. So if the numerator is less, it is called a proper fraction. Can you say some examples? 4 by 6, 8 by 11, etc. I can write anything. That is, but one condition, the numerator should be a small number. Here, the numerator, I should get a small. Okay, my numerator should be a small number. Then second thing is improper fraction. What you say? Improper fraction. Then what is meant by improper fraction? Just a reverse of this. That is numerator. My numerator will be a big number. For example, I can write as 5 by 2. Reverse. My numerator is bigger than the denominator. Then 8 by 4. 6 by 3. Then 7 by 4. Can you see? All the numerators 5, 8, 6, 7. See, as compare the numerator and denominator. Here my 5 numerator is bigger than the denominator. Denominators are small numbers and numerators are bigger numbers. That is called a improper fraction. Okay, then what is mean by mixed fraction? Do you heard about mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is consist of a whole number, a natural number, whole number with a proper fraction. Okay, 4 by 8 or 3, 5 by 7, 2, 3 by 6, like this. So mixed fraction consists of a natural number with the proper fractions. Okay. Do you know? Now you understood, I think so. Clear? Next, let us see. Now we are seeing the types of fractions. Next is, I'm going to tell you how you have to convert it. Okay, please watch it. Next, let us see the addition and subtraction of like fractions. Addition and subtraction of like fractions is very simple. For example, if I am taking 3 by 5 plus 7 by 5. How should I add? Now it is like fraction because my denominators are same. Correct? So I can add directly. I can add only the numerator. 3 plus 7 divided by, you should not add the denominator. Write the common denominator 5. Okay. So what only you should add, only the numerator should be added. So 3 plus 7, it is 10. 10 divided by 5 is the answer. Now let us see how to subtract it. The subtraction of like fractions is also simple. For example, I have written 7 by 3 minus 2 by 3. What should I do? Just I have to subtract only the numerator. That is 7 minus 2 divided by, I should write the common denominator 3. I should not write 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, that is wrong. Just I want to subtract only the numerator. So what is 7 minus 2? I'll be getting 5, right? So I can write this is 5 by 3. Okay, now let us see the addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. It is very simple. Please keep on watching. Now I had taken the different denominators, that is unlike fractions. How to add these unlike fractions? Like previously, I should not add 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4. It is wrong. Just I had to do cross multiplication. 2 into 4. Just multiply cross. Okay, like butterfly multiplication. 2 into 4 plus multiply 5 into 3 divided by, then denominators should be multiplied. 5 into 4. So multiply from the left. Okay, so 2 4s are 8 plus 5 3s are 15 divided by 5 into 4, 20. So what is my answer? 15 plus 8, 23 by 20. Clear, children? This is the answer. Like this, I can do the subtraction also. Okay, this is addition. Can we do one subtraction? I have taken numbers as. Next, let us see how to subtract the unlike fractions. It is very simple, like previously how we did. Multiply from the left. 5 into 3. It is 15 minus multiply 2 into 2. That is right hand side. 2 into 2 it is 4 divided by multiply the denominators. 2 into 3 it is 6. So we will be getting 15 minus 4 by 6. What is 15 minus 4, children? Is it 11 by 6? Clear? So next let us see how to change the mixed fraction into improper. Okay? So mixed fraction into improper fraction. For example, I have taken a number 2 3 by 6. This is a mixed fraction. How we are going to convert into improper? It is very simple. First you multiply the side. Okay, sidewise you should multiply and add the numerator. So this side you want to multiply and want to add the numerator. Okay, so what you will be getting? 2 into 6. 2 6 are 2 into 6. Multiply the side. Then add the numerator by, write the denominator now. Clear? Multiply the side. 2 into 6 is 12. 12 plus 3, it is 15. Divided by denominator, we will be writing as it is. So 15 by 6 is the answer. Clear? Now let us see the next one. How to change the improper fraction into mixed fraction. For example, I am taking the number as 10 by 3. This is an improper fraction. How could I change into mixed fraction? Just you divide this 10 divided by 3. Third table, 3 into 3 is 9. The remainder I will be getting 1. Okay, write like this anti-clockwise direction. Write in anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise in the sense the remainder will go to the numerator. So the remainder is 1. So it will go to the numerator. And this quotient will come to the side. And the dividend will come to the denominator. Okay, so anti-clockwise direction you should write. So 3 into 1 by 3. Multiply and check. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 by 3. I hope this video will be more easy and useful for you. If it's so, don't forget to subscribe and support our channel. Keep on watching our channel for more informations like this. Thank you. Thank you for your support.